How to borrow money from Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck. In today's video I'll show you how you can borrow money from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Cash App is currently testing a relatively new feature such as loans. However, since December of 2020, this feature has been rolling out to users and now most people have access to it. And in this video, we will cover how to unlock and borrow money from Cash App using this loan feature. So we'll also dive into its features details and what it could mean for you regarding the cost and benefits. Now, to borrow money from Cash App, just open the Cash App on your phone as you could see over here and go to the banking screen from the bottom left corner of the screen as you could see over here. Once you come to your main banking screen, you could find the option that says borrow, and if you don't find the borrow options, it means that you're not eligible for borrowing. Now, if you're not eligible, you can head to support for more info. Just type borrow in the search bar and you'll get a proper explanation of Cash App's eligibility requirements. You can also chat with the support team. And if you don't see borrow but you get a notification from outside the app saying you're eligible for a Cash App loan, it's most likely a scam, so stay away from it. Now, once you find the borrow option, just tap on it, and as you tap on the borrow option, now you'll begin the process of unlocking Cash App's borrow feature. Just tap on the continue button so you can see borrow up to $200 right from your Cash App. Tap on continue at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you tap on the continue button on the next specific page, you can simply press the learn more button to find any information about the borrow button, and either enter how much money you want to borrow and finalize by pressing the borrow button. And the amount shown at the top of the screen is how much available to borrow from Cash App at this time. And that's all it takes to borrow money from Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.